Hi everyone, welcome to our channel. Is your JBL Flip 6 acting up? Reset it to factory settings and enjoy a clean slate for your audio experience. Whether you are solving an issue or just want a fresh start, this guide is for you. Prepare for reset. Make sure your speaker is on. Keep in mind that this reset will erase all data and Bluetooth parent records too. Simultaneously press and hold the volume down and play buttons. Keep holding this until the LED indicators on the speaker light up and the speaker turns off. When the speaker powers back on, it's reset to factory settings. You'll need to pair your device again, as all previous connections are erased. Thanks so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please remember to like and subscribe. You can discover more tips and tricks for your JBL Flip 6 in the playlist linked in the description below.